how to detect breast cancer early. Now, this is very important because if we can detect breast cancer early, that is the way to completely defeat breast cancer and give an ultimatum cure for the patient. So let's see. Now, we talk about 3 ways in which we can identify breast cancer early. Namely, self-breast examination is number 1, number 2 is clinical breast examination, and number 3 is screening mammography. Now let's take this one by one. Self-breast examination is a simple technique for you to do. This should be done by all the females above 20 years of age. Pick a date once a month and check your breasts. Have a look, have a feel. Get to know about your breasts. In this way, when a subtle change comes in your breast, you will notice this very early. And that is the time for you to go and consult a doctor as soon as possible. So that's number 1. Now number 2 is clinical breast examination. This is you get your breasts checked by a doctor. We generally recommend, if you're a female above 40 years of age, to get a breast checkup done by a doctor once a year. Now I always say October month is dedicated for breast cancer. So this is a good time for you to go and get yourself checked. Number 3, the last, is screening mammography. This is dedicated for people above 40 years of age. Screening mammography can identify breast cancer at a very, very early stage, even before you can feel it. In that way, when we identify a breast cancer at a very early stage with a screening mammography, very likely we can give you 100% cure. So these are the 3 ways we can identify breast cancer early and defeat breast cancer.